So let's look into the 5 income streams you can build before we get AGI, and how you can actually prepare financially with multiple streams of income, right? So most people don't have an income problem, they have a dependency problem, in my opinion. They depend on one employer, one paycheck, one system, one monthly cycle, one set of assumptions and about how, work is supposed to function. That model is definitely slower and fragile in this AI world. So advances are being made, and really bringing capable intelligent systems in your role is not to disappear overnight, right? It's really to kind of leverage these technologies to pretty much get on top of the game. And I think there are 5 rails that can help you with doing that. If you focus on your salary or your primary income rail, right, and your skills income, making sure that rail is really kind of augmented and upgraded. And then the digital product rail, you need to be able to sell some digital products, right? Affiliates and distributions, that should be top of mind as well, because you can earn passively by just pretty much recommending some of the products that you use yourself, right? Or capital growth rail, that's really you figuring out, how you want to multiply your income. And I think these rails really matter in the era of AI, because AI does change economics of output, right? So one person is able to actually do a lot more. Teams can be smaller, entry-level tasks are able to be automated, and employers can ask for also broader skill sets now, right? So freelancers face a lot more competition from AI assisted operators as well. That means humans are not irrelevant, but it means a single income dependence becomes really dangerous. Let's say if you're a writer, you used to write articles or whatever, and then now AI is coming. You have to be able to still be able to do good writing, understand how to do great prompts, how to use AI to do research, and do so many other things, right? So you can have an edge when it comes to the kind of output and all of these things. So that's pretty much what you need. The salary rail is really for covering your core living expenses, your funding, your savings, and your runway, and then your financing, your skills development as well, creating stability, and then building out the rails. And then obviously what you want to do there, you have to audit your role, right? And automate, assist, make sure you leverage this technology, and you're not reluctant, right? I think you can use AI to kind of improve, whether it's reporting or communication or research or documentation of workflow speed, and then move your time forward, judgment, coordination, right, decision support, client trust strategy, and make value visible as well. You don't only have to work harder, but you can also show the impact, right? The time that you saved, the areas that you've reduced, the speed that you've improved, systems with, and how you've standardized those. And then your salary rail definitely will become stronger when your value is more measurable, right? So you can use these things to actually get ahead, especially in the 9 to 5. And when it comes to the skills income rail, obviously what you want, if you're a freelancer, consultant, make sure you're using AI to help you with setup and configuring your work and research, editing, operations, AI workflow implementations. These are things that you can also help others with. So you can build a simple framework, one audience, one problem, one offer, one AI workflow, and then you package that up, and then you can tie it all in to be able to deliver faster and research better, standardize quality, and build templates as well that can be kind of monetizable and sold on. And when it comes to the digital product realm, then obviously you want to be able to use AI to help you with templates, playbooks, checklists, guides, mini courses, research packs, premium newsletters, things that you can package and kind of offer as an add-on with your services. And then obviously the affiliate rail is really one of the most important. You want to be able to recommend those exchanges, those platforms, those wallet comparisons, tools, breakdowns, workflow tutorials, all of that. You can use AI also to help you with this while you're doing your own research. You'll be able to monetize your own research too. So you can also check our main site, decentralized.news. We've got a research tab that's full of a lot of resources that you can use. So all of these things, at the end of the day, will help you with the one thing, which is the capital growth rail that we spoke about, where, you're making sure that, depending on your risk profile, you know, your cash yield reserves, index style exposure, business reinvestment, okay, disciplined crypto exposure, strategy based trading with strict rules, and long term compounding, you know, allocations, and being very, very like strategic about things, and you'll be able to really kind of get ahead. So payment infrastructure, options, optionality, trading, investments, all of that. Like, share, subscribe, turn on the notifications, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.